Good afternoon, fellow Y2K fans. If you're new to the channel, my name is Blake, and I love cars from the 80s, 90s, and 2000s. This is a breathtaking view across the bay here in the Panhandle of Florida. It's one of my favorite spots. Figured we'd let everyone virtually escape the quarantine and go for a ride in this thing, the 92 Diablo. So let's get in here and have a nice drive. Thankfully, the AC is working great. It's a very annoying Italian buzzer going off right now when you first start it. Every Italian car of this era has the same buzzer. And a lot of them have these same seatbelts right here too. Got some really cool pictures before I started filming. Traffic is super light. They've closed the beaches in our area for the most part, so everyone can stay safe and be at home. Everything's behind you, although it is loud, you don't hear too much of it in the cabin. It's like just the right amount of noise. And on the D-cell, a lot of crackles and pops, which I put on my previous videos. Makes you feel kind of like Batman. And at night it does shoot fire. Kind of hear it right there. It's a good sound. Look how pretty it is today. Had to put some miles on her. Such a beautiful day. Oh, F355 Spider. Ladies and gentlemen, a Y2K approved vehicle. Man, you don't ever see F355s, especially here. That was really awesome. I've noticed I got the car detailed and I didn't drive it really. And when I backed out of the driveway, the brakes went clunk and freed up. And now the rotors feel slightly warped. So I'm not sure if I just need to drive it some more and slam on the brakes, or if I need to get them remachined so we can get a new layer of rotor under there. The owner before me replaced the brakes twice because he never drove it. They kept freezing up, so I'm assuming the brakes themselves are in great condition. But so yeah, I just wanted to do this drive. I know a lot of you are stuck in your houses, especially in big cities like Seattle and New York. And West Coast, I know it's affecting you guys a lot. So hopefully this brings a little bit of sunshine into your day, so to speak, literally and figuratively. I bought this car to share with the world, and so hopefully, you know, it's benefiting you guys today to see this beautiful water in the sky and all the things we normally take for granted that right now we aren't getting to experience as much. I live in a small town, and we've had a few cases of the virus reported here, mainly people that have been traveling from overseas. But overall, it's an amazing day. It's a good day to drive the car. I don't know how much we're going to be able to really open it up, but I at least wanted to make a video driving it. This car has a brand new water pump, alternator, and AC compressor, and AC is blowing cold. Converted it to 134A because the R12 is hard to get, obviously, and it's priced extremely high. I'm wearing my Airwalk shirt and my Vans with checkers like Spicoli from Fast Time at Ridgemont High. So I'm Y2K through and through. We're getting ready to get onto a 4-lane area and then over a bridge, which will have pretty good views as long as we can see over it. I know this POV, I've got it on the widest angle, but it's still kind of hard to see out of it sometimes in this car. It's like a submarine or a F-22 Raptor or stealth bomber, any of those kind of things. Batmobile. It's a shame Christian Bale isn't Batman anymore, because I think he would really love to have a Diablo in his next sequel. I did see that, I guess the guy from Twilight, I can't remember the name of him. Is it Rob? I can't remember. Robert Pattinson, that's who it is. He's playing the next Batman. And it looks like he has some kind of mid-engine 70s muscle car, so maybe what a C8 would have been in 1975 or something like that. It's pretty cool. Comment down below. Is Robert Pattinson going to make a good Batman, or is Christian Bale the best Batman? Or who is the best Batman? You got Michael Keaton. I think Val Kilmer did it. A lot of people played Batman. I think did George Clooney play Batman? Or the Joker? Something like that. But anyways, love Batman. Really love the Dark Knight series because, you know, at that point I could process everything that was going on. But the Michael Keaton one was pretty good too, from what I remember. So yeah, here we are in the car. For those of you who don't know, this car has a dogleg gearbox, so that's actually first, and then second, third, fourth, and fifth. So if you got in here and tried to put it in first like normal, you would be going in reverse, and that would not be good. You guys seem to enjoy the POV cam. The last POV video I made, well, the first POV video I made, I should say, in this car, got almost, it's like over 38,000 views, and it was the most simple, basic video I've ever made. And I was quite shocked that that was the one that just completely destroyed all my other views. So I said, why not make another one? And hopefully you guys get as much enjoyment out of the second, well, the third one now. Stuck behind a Porsche Macan. I see he opted for the badge delete. And that means one of two things. Either it's a turbo or a turbo S. I don't think they make a turbo S Macan. Maybe they do. And he deleted it to be a sleeper, or it's a base Macan and he didn't want anyone to know. Those are the two options when you do a badge delete. Oh, it looks like the tollways they're not having any toll workers. So I guess they are at home until further notice. Never seen that before, unless it's like a hurricane. We get a lot of, you know, every year we'll get like a hurricane that might come close, or at least we got to worry about it a little bit. Every 3 or 4 years we might, you know, get one that's worth maybe evacuating for. And typically, this is the scene from something like that, you know, or evacuating or whatever, but never would have thought it would have been from something like this, especially in 2020. Seems kind of crazy that we're dealing with this in this modern day age with all the medicine and things we have. Not sure how I feel about that. But hopefully things turn around. I saw something about Elon Musk from Tesla geared as like over 70 miles an hour, which is pretty absurd. And then second's like 105, and this speedometer is actually extremely accurate, which is very surprising. See if we can get some crackles on this tunnel with the windows down. Hope you appreciated this drive. The pretty stuff is about to end. If you like what you are seeing on Y2K, I don't do a lot of uploads, but when I do them, you know, I try to make them fun. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Things are a little slow here right now, so probably be making more videos to, you know, pass the time and have some fun and give everybody else you know, some stuff to watch while they're bored and locked up in their house. So anyways, have a great day, everyone. We're all praying together that this is all going to end, and I think we all work together, we can do some amazing things and get this virus over with and get back to our you know, normal lives. So have a great day, and see you on the next upload.